In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rockband guitar to Wii. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a Rockband guitar and how to connect it to your Nintendo Wii console. So first, make sure that the actual Rockband guitar that you are using is compatible with the Wii console. Most models should be, but you might want to double check the box and the manuals just to be sure. Now, for you to synchronize the Rockband guitar with your Nintendo Wii, first, on the guitar itself, make sure that you have supplied enough double or triple A batteries. So if you turn the guitar around, you will be able to open the battery socket and in there double check that it has enough batteries. Once you have included all of the batteries needed for it to work, then you will be good to go. Now, you will be able to turn it on by pressing the power button, and as long as your Nintendo Wii console is powered on and with the Rock Band game open, you will be able to connect the guitar. Now, turn on the guitar like I mentioned and press the synchronize button. Usually, this is going to be right below the power button, and immediately upon synchronizing it, you will be good to go. You might also have to use a dongle. So, some models of the Rock Band guitar for the Wii will have this dongle that you have to connect into one of the ports available on your Nintendo Wii. Upon connecting this, a blue light is going to flash, indicating that it is now ready to be paired. Now, if you press the synchronize button on the Rock Band guitar alongside the synchronize button on the dongle that you connected to your Nintendo Wii, then both of the devices are going to be synchronized. So, in summary, all that you have to do is make sure that the guitar has enough batteries, turn it on, power on your Nintendo Wii, and plug in the USB dongle or receiver. Once this is done, press the synchronize button on the receiver and the synchronize button on the guitar itself. Both of them should connect, and now you will be able to use your Rock Band guitar on your Nintendo Wii. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rock Band guitar to Wii. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.